Let's talk about validating the data in the Excel file. So here we have Excel file, and it has a field called country name, and the first record has incorrect country code ABC, and we would like to get rid of it. Let me show how. The first step we need to do is to create a transformation. Let's call it clean Excel. Need to set reader properties. So reader tab is Excel. Already created directory. To select the file is called dirty data. And we need to select folder sheet. So here we have our data. So let's just set field names and auto formatted. And we'll be writing data into another Excel file. Call our file clean data. Last field. Just copy the names again, because we don't want to type them. Okay, so next step is to set validation rule. So we want to do if the field country name equals to ABC rejected. So we have if equal to, we need actually another one. It's called is equal to. Yeah. So that's what we need. We need this one. Repeating them. Use the rest of them. And we need to set the value to ABC. And if it is success, we would like to discard the record because we don't need it. Let's test if it actually works. So all we need to do is to press process data button. See, it is rejected. And this one is okay. So next step we need to do is to map transform fields. As you can see here, we have only 2 records. So the validator is working. And we are going to use auto map because it is just much easier. Just auto map everything. Click OK. And now we are ready to run our transformation. Only 2 lines. Let's see what we have. And here's our clean data. We can actually open it. And here it is. All right, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or struggling with transforming your data or even suggestions, please go to our support forum, post them there, and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you, bye.